I call him Dwayne The Rock Johnson. You heard that right, people. I got a new turtle. Introducing Dwayne the Turtle Johnson. Oh yeah. Oh my god, look at him go. Look at him go. Even though he has no space, he's still a very active turtle. Oh my god. And I'm constantly at fear that he might get off the whole, his aquarium. And I also got 3 new fishes. I don't care about them, but I do care about this little dude. So yeah, look at his underside. It's like orangish, ashes, like it's really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.